home, everyone. Now that we've landed, please don't stand up just yet.
Rather than standing and waiting, please stay seated and buckled up until we switch the seatbelt signs off.
Please leave your phone in your bag or pocket. You can switch it on again when we open the plane doors. And just to let you know, you're not allowed to smoke on the journey to the terminal or in the terminal itself.
Before you go, please make sure you've got everything with you. And take care when you open the overhead lockers, as some things may have moved during the flight.
Our friendly customer helpers are all ready and waiting to help you. You can't miss them, as they're wearing our famous red uniform.
From everyone at Jet2.com and Jet2 Holidays, we can't wait to see you again soon, and we hope you've all had a lovely holiday.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'd like to welcome you back home to Manchester, when the local time is just approaching 12:10 in the afternoon. Before leaving us today, we're pleased to ask that you do have a very good look around your seating area, as many items do get left behind. This mostly includes passports, e-readers and mobile phones. If we do find any lost property, we'll hand it off here to our ground agents. If you have pre-booked wheelchair assistance, we're pleased to ask that you do remain seated until the rest of the passengers have disembarked, and then the cabin crew can be of further assistance to you. We would like to thank you very much for flying with Jet2.com and Jet2 Holidays. We do hope you enjoyed your flight and wish you all a very safe journey home. And as a special thank you for flying with us today, we will be offering each and every single one of you one of our rain check vouchers. This entitles you to £60 off your next booking when you book a Jet2 Holidays package or Jet2 Villas. Once again, thank you very much and have a lovely weekend.